Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile, I'm the Analyst Trader. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. Also posted regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good evening, today is Sunday, January the 27th, 2013, and it's 4:30 p.m. Italian time. I want to remind you that Italian time zone is GMT +1. However, today markets are closed. This is my weekly review of the euro dollar. Those who follow me know that in this review I start from the weekly chart and make a review of the euro price and where we are in the larger time frame, and then I drill down into the daily chart to see the new setups and where price is headed at the beginning of the coming week. So let's start from the weekly chart. This is something I show you every time because it's important to show also to the new joiners where we are in price and why we trace this setup here, this level of corresponding to a level of support. So I trace from the lows of 2002 on this weekly chart to highs in the we had in 2008, and what you have on the screen is the weekly chart of the EURFX continuous contract aligned to the March 2013 expiration. As you can see, this trace highlights a level of support in the 121.30 area. This worked as support in 2010, and again it worked as support on July last year when Draghi came out saying that he would do whatever he could to push high the euro higher. Now, what we have seen in the last 2 years is basically this sequence of measure move lower. The first one with a resistance area in the 140.80, which brought price into the first area in 127, 128 basically. The next traditional measure move lower had resistance in 134, 135, and again it hit target in the 122.90 level. But as we can see, the next measure move lower failed the sequence, with price moving above 129.90 here. And the reason why it failed is because there was some participation at this 121.30 level from July last year, which brought price above this level and decreed the end of this move lower. So then a new move higher started. You can go back and watch my videos in which I anticipated the fact that we could see a correction. That's what we saw, and we had a support in the 126.80 area in mid of November last year. Now once we identified this level of support, we also had identified two targets. The first one is 134.40 and the second one is 138.30. Now the first target, as you can see, was hit last week. So congratulations to those who follow my my advice here and took this long. Now what we can see, we are going to probably see a continuation, and I believe that this move can bring price higher into the 138.30. It's not going to be a straight move higher, there will be retracement, and I believe that the first retracement that we can identify on the weekly will come after price will have reached the 136.80 level. So I believe that we have 1 or 2 more weeks to get there before we get a retracement into the 134.40, 134.50 area. Now let's move to the daily chart here, and on the daily chart I'm going to show you the last weekly long setup with a support in the 126.80 area. Here we have this support, and we have also the first I was it right on Friday. And if you review my video on the blog, I said that we could see this target hit at the end of the day, and that's what happened actually. Now We also completed the last extension long here, so that's what program trading was looking at in the last 2 weeks, as support in the 132.60 area, and as we can see, we hit target in the 134.86, and actually price went to 134.85 was the high on Friday. So this setup is also completed. What can happen now? We have strong resistance at 135.10 area, and I believe we could see a mild retracement if we get there. And but the price should generally continue higher, and the biggest retracement I can see at the moment is a trade into the next. A trade into the next level of support, which is the next extension higher from trace from highs to highs here, and this would be the 133 level. So the biggest retracement I see at the moment is at this level, but we might not get there. We might get a smaller retracement into previous highs, and this could be into 133 90 and 134.10. That's where I see price. So I hope this weekly update is useful. As you know, this is part of my weekly newsletter. I only share with my subscribers. I share this video on my blog only 6 to 10 days in delay on my blog. So if you want to receive it, just go to my website, and on the left side you'll find an icon. You can click on it and register to receive for free my newsletter and midweek updates on Wednesday. It only takes 10 seconds, and I believe it's good to have, because you find a lot of useful information, setups for forex, stocks and futures, and this can actually help your trading, and also can help you understand the way you analyze price. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a very good end of the weekend here, and wish you look forward to see you on my blog. Have a great evening. Bye bye.